What's up YouTube, Dan from PC Simple, and today I've got a really cool tutorial for you. It's advanced PowerPoint and it requires some visual basic skills. So what we're going to be doing today is a interactive quiz where you insert your name, you do the quiz. We're going to do 10 questions today, and then at the end it tells you your results and it puts your name in all different places, and it looks really cool. So this is actually a piece of homework that I'm doing, but I thought that it'd be a good YouTube tutorial as well. So as you can see, it's just some OCR work that we've had to do, where it's like an interactive website, so to speak, but a PowerPoint instead, and we've got to do a quiz about France. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get a slide, and we want to make 10 more slides for each of our questions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wait, sorry. So thinking about it, the best way to do this would actually be to format our slide first. So what we want is our question area. Let's put that, say, there. Okay, and then what we want to do, we want to insert 3 more text boxes. So there's 1. Okay, so if we just put in 1 for now, 2, 3, and drag that down there. So now we've got our questions. What we want to do though is make it look a bit more attractive, basically. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and put a shape fill in. So I quite like that one, me. And then for our other gradients, actually I'm going to go for a colour more related to what I'm doing. So preset colours, let's have that one. That one look better. Yeah. So let's change our colours. So let's move these over here. Pop that there. Okay, close. And we want to do the same with these. So let's just get rid of this, get rid of this, V. I'm quite pleased with that. And then this one, let's just go ahead, change the gradient a bit. Let's change the colours to orange and a yellow. Basically just put the gradients in where you need them, and it'll just okay. That looks alright, yeah. So now what we want to do, we want to start typing our questions. So I've got my questions here. It's based on France, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and start typing them. So 1. Right, so let's just make that a bit bigger so it fits it in. That looks better. So 1. Let's make that A. Blue. Now it's even more embarrassing if you put colours that couldn't be on the French flag and then they still get it wrong. So I've done some pretty obvious ones like green, for example, and then white. Okay, so now we want to format that so we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll come back to you when I've finished this.
Pull up your lighters, I clash the titans, fight the fighters, might fight the biters, spit to my throat, got tonsillitis, that's on a Monday morning, taking over, ran straight past you, no warning, a rule disaster, harder, faster, stronger, longer, this one here was top of the class.
Alright YouTube, so I've finished typing everything in now, and I can tell you one thing, it was quite boring, but I got all the questions. Some of the things in there don't exist. Some of them are spelt wrong, and that means it's going to be more embarrassing if they get it wrong. So now what we need to do, we need to insert a new slide. So let's see. I think I'll just go for a blank slide. Put it at the beginning of the quiz, so before question 1. And let's get this box. Control C, Control V. Let's pop it in the center. And then just click here to start the quiz. Make it a bit smaller. Okay, and then we need to do one of them, put at the end. So click here to see your results. Now for the quite clever bit actually, we're going to do the coding. So we need to go to developer, and I'll show you how to get the developer tab up now. I'm running Microsoft Office 2010. For Microsoft Office 2007, you'll have the little Windows orb at the top. You've got to click that. Then at the bottom of the menu it should have a button saying PowerPoint options. Click that. It'll bring up a pop-up window, and it'll have a little checkbox that says show developer tab or something like that. You've got to click that, then OK or whatever, and it'll appear. But on Office 2010 you've got to go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, then where it says here Main Tabs, you've got to click the little checkbox that says Developer and just click OK, and it appears here.